Welcome, in front of me is Apple Watch Ultra 3, and in this video I will show you how to soft reset this watch. First of all, you have to hold down the side button of your Apple Watch for a couple of seconds until you see these icons appearing on your screen. Then select the power icon in the top right corner and then move the slider to the right and wait until the screen of your Apple Watch goes off. Once it does, hold down the side button of your watch once again for a couple of seconds until you see the logo, the Apple logo, appearing on your screen. Maybe let me try this one more time. Okay, and right now you can release the button and just wait until your Apple Watch turns on again. After that, the soft reset operation will be complete. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.